So I'm on Vector Studio. So now let's select the shape tool, left click, select the ellipse tool, and now hold shift key down and then create a circle to create a perfect circle. And now I'm going to remove the fill, so left click here and then click on this icon here to remove the fill, and now double click here. I'm going to change the outline to 3, press enter. So here it is, the color is black. And now let's select the move tool, and now I'm going to center this circle. Make sure the snapping is checked here, so I'm going to left click here. So here are the features I checked. So now I'm going to duplicate the circle, Ctrl J, and now hold shift key and Ctrl key down and then scale down the circle. And now Ctrl J again to duplicate the circle. So now as you can see, duplicated circle is smaller because of the power duplicate feature in Affinity. So now I'm going to select this small circle here, hold shift key down and then move it down until it snaps into the medium circle. Hold shift key down and then move it down. And now I'm going to scale up this small circle here, hold shift key down and then scale it up until it snaps here. So here it is. Now I'm going to select everything. I'm going to move it here like this. So now I'm going to select the rectangle tool, left click on rectangle, make sure it doesn't have a fill, left click here. The outline is 3 points, just add the circles here. And now I'm going to move my cursor here. So as you can see, it snaps. So now I'm just going to create a rectangle here, drag and then create. So here it is. And now I'm going to move the right and left handles until they snap to the circles. So I'm going to move this right handle and then just drag it to the right. As you can see, it snaps. And now I'm going to drag the left handle. So here it is. It snaps to the big circle. And now I'm going to scale it up by moving the rectangle down like this. So here it is. Now created our letter P. So now let's select the move tool. I'm going to select everything. I'm going to place it here. So now let's select the shape builder tool, left click, select shape builder. Make sure the action here is in the plus icon here. Create a new shape from selected areas. Drag method is freehand, clean up none. I check the use style from first selected area, and now I'm just going to drag. So this is my first shape. I'm going to left click on this one. This is my second shape. And then I'm going to left click on this one. This is my third shape. And now I'm going to change the action here from the plus to the minus to delete selected areas from object. Select the minus icon and then left click in the middle here in the small circle, left click. And now let's select the move tool. I'm going to left click outside. So now as you can see, there are many layers here we need to clean up a little bit. So I'm going to select this one. I'm just going to click on this icon to hide. So now it doesn't do anything. I'm going to left click on this icon here to remove this layer and then select this one here. So you just need to check if it does anything. So no. I'm going to delete it, and for this one it doesn't do anything. I'm going to delete it. So now we have 3 layers, this one, and this one here. So now I'm going to select this shape here. I'm going to add the gradient. So let's select the fill tool. Make sure the context is filled. The type here, I'm going to change it to linear. So now I'm going to left click. At this point, I'm going to drag to the bottom. I'm going to select, for example, a dark blue color. And for this one, I'm going to left click and then drag it up. For this one, I'm going to select a light blue. So here it is. And now let's select the move tool. Control C to copy this shape. And now I'm going to select everything. I'm just going to copy this gradient to the other shapes here. Just go to edit, paste, and then select paste style. So here it is. So now as you can see, it filled the inside of this circle. We're going to remove it. Make sure you select all the shapes, select the shape builder. Make sure the action here is in the minus, delete selected areas from objects, and then left click on this one. So here it is. And now let's select the move tool. So now for example, I'm going to select this one here, select the fill tool. I'm going to change the gradient to be on top here, the black color, the dark blue. I'm just going to reverse it, click on this icon. So here it is. Now let's select the move tool. So now I just want to remove the fill. I'm going to select all the shapes. I'm going to group them, click on group, and now left click here so you can increase or decrease. I'm going to decrease it. And now go down to the navigator tab here. I'm going to zoom in by moving the sliders here to the right. So there is a small gap here. I'm going to fill these gaps here. Just make sure to select all the group here, all the shapes. Left click here to select the contour tool. I'm going to double click here to increase the radius, double click. I'm going to increase it by 0.3, press enter. So here it is. And I'm going to select the move tool. I'm going to double click here on the navigator here. I'm going to bring it back to 64, press enter. So now I'm just going to round this corner here of the letter here. So I'm going to open the group. I'm going to select this layer here, this shape. Select the corner tool, left click here. And now I'm going to select this node here and then just drag it inside. So here it is. Now let's select the move tool.